We're breaking out another muscle-building, stress-busting workout, and today we're focusing on one of my favorite muscle groups, the back. As per usual, we're keeping it low impact, which means maximum muscle gains with minimum joint strain. We're going to go through 4 movements and do 3 sets of each with 12 reps per set. For each movement, I'll show you 1 set from behind and 1 set from the side. I'm keeping the weight low because a good portion of my focus today is time under tension, meaning nice slow movements to burn out the muscles. All right, let's kick things off with the mid-chest row. This bad boy targets your middle back muscles, helping to improve posture and create that often sought after V taper. Delicious. Here's how to do it. Set up a cable machine so your bar or handles are at your mid-chest height. Lean back slightly, chest up, shoulders back and down, and core engaged. Slowly pull the handles or bar toward your mid-chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. And then slowly return to the starting position. Remember, we're all about that slow control. And here's a pro tip. Focus on pulling with your back muscles, not your arms. Just imagine that you're trying to crack a walnut between your beautiful shoulder blades. Next up, we've got the lat pull down. This exercise is a must for building those wide, sweeping lats that'll have you looking like you can fly, baby. Here's the proper form. Sit at the lat pull down machine, gripping the handles or bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Lean back slightly, chest up, shoulders back and down, and core engaged. Slowly pull the handles or bar down to your upper chest, focusing on using your back muscles. And then slowly return the handles or bar to the starting position. And remember, slow and steady wins the race and builds those beautiful muscles. While we work through our reps, let's talk about our secret weapon, which is slow strength training. This isn't your typical pump and go workout. We're talking slow controlled movements that'll light your muscles on fire. Here's the deal. Slow training increases time under tension, which is fancy talk for making your muscles work harder. This leads to more muscle growth and strength gains. But that's not all. Slow training also helps lower cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Less stress means better recovery and more gains. It's win-win. Keeping time under tension in mind, I'm using low weight and gradually increasing the weight with each set of each movement. So I'm not trying to max out the weight today, but I am trying to get the muscles burning low and slow. So heavy weight is definitely not necessary here. Now, let's hit those often neglected rear delts and upper back muscles with the rope face pull. This exercise is fantastic for improving posture and creating that 3D look to your shoulders. Here's how it's done. Stand facing a cable machine with a rope attachment at about face height or slightly above. Grab the rope with palms facing each other, step back and lean slightly back with your arms extended while keeping your shoulders back and down and your core engaged. Now, slowly pull the rope toward your face and then slowly return to the starting position. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together at the peak of the movement. Trust me, your future self will thank you for the improved posture. Last up, we've got the straight arm pull down with a rope. This movement isolates your lats and gives you that amazing mind-muscle connection. Here's the breakdown. Stand facing a cable machine with a rope attachment set high. Grab the rope with straight arms, palms facing each other, while keeping your shoulders back and down and your core engaged. Keeping your arms straight, slowly pull the rope down towards your thighs, and then slowly return to the starting position. Remember to keep your arms straight but not locked, and really focus on using your lats to power through this movement. And there you have it, my friend, a killer low-impact back workout that'll build muscle, improve posture, and keep your stress levels in check. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what kind of workout videos you prefer. Do you like to see every set and every rep so that you can follow along from start to finish? Or do you prefer an overview so that you can take your own notes and do it later at your own time? Inquiring minds want to know. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.